Okay guys, this is what I was afraid of. We're in that snowstorm in New York State, Finger Lakes region, and that is my cattle panel greenhouse. I gotta get some of that weight off of there. As you can see, it's caving in a touch. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh. I'll be back in a second. Just a little bit more, it'll be good as new. Just like that, you'd never know anything happened. It was a cheap greenhouse. It was a relatively easy greenhouse. Pretty cool. Would recommend running a beam down the center, all the way to that end. It would be worthwhile. My wife is absolutely brilliant, and we have a shade cloth thing that goes over the top of this, and there's a rope right there, and there's another rope, yep, right there. So I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna pull those ropes and put the cover up there, and then if it gets too heavy again, hopefully I can just pull the cover off and it'll all just slide right back down over there where the cover's kind of piled up. We'll see how this goes. I'll try to get a video. Here goes nothing. I broke it. Man, that was such a good idea. I was really hoping it would work. Yo, little electric hand warmers, these things are rechargeable. Oh, they're awesome, man. But, look at how deep the snow is. Oh my goodness. We haven't had a winter like this in a while, huh? I kind of miss these winters. I'm gonna go in, have a nice hot cup of soup, nice hot cup of hot cocoa too. find some cheesy movie on, I don't know, one of the free streaming websites or apps. And I'm going to call it a day unless I have to come out here and do this again later. Which I hope not. Maybe tomorrow. Peace.